Welcome to 60 Seconds with Catch. So what do you do when your pin set gets worn out? The ball plunger in there is broken, messed up, distorted, bent, buckled, distorted, messed up, whatever, and you need to replace the ball plunger. If you don't have 3 hands, use a vise. I don't have 3 hands. Plain old flathead screwdriver, remove the old ball plunger. These threads tend to get gritty and grungy. It's worth it to chase them. If you got a 10mm tap, you can chase these threads real quick. It's worth it to do it. And now that my threads are nice and clean, I take a brand new ball plunger, screw this until it just barely peeks through. So now it holds really well. Don't fall off. Thanks.